Why continue to use 10-year-old science when you can have the latest ingredients and technology? Based in years of research and use, our glycolic blend combined with our own Elixir Cure formulation has created revolutionary lasting results. Let Keratin Cure be the key that opens the door of success for your business. Our treatment is a cohesive, smoothing, repairing, and rejuvenating treatment. Keratin Cure's products are not single-minded. They can see the whole picture and provide dramatic results for all hair types. We have created different types of formulations to suit each stylist's needs. You can achieve amazing results and control your treatment. Keratin Cure can be used with any other chemical process as it works to help smooth and repair damage. It can be alternately used with chemical relaxers to reduce damage and achieve better results. So now let our training and certification video open up the world of Keratin Cure for you. In order to set yourself up for success, please make sure you have the proper tools. Our model is the ideal candidate. This treatment will help repair her damage and smooth out her frizz. To achieve optimum performance, you must first clarify the hair twice. This rids the hair of impurities, styling product buildup, opens up the cuticle, and ensures proper penetration of the smoothing treatment. Make sure to achieve a thick lather and massage hair clean. Rinse thoroughly, as leftover shampoo can hinder your treatment. Repeat this step as 2 clarifying shampoos are required. On virgin hair, please leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Next, blow dry hair 80% dry. In step 3, neatly section hair into 4 sections. Next, you want to shake the treatment bottle thoroughly. Measure out the treatment either with a scale or a measuring cup based on the usage guide provided for you and pour into a bowl. Please use professional judgment as overusage and underusage are not encouraged. Overusage may result in either sticky or powdery hair, making it hard to comb through. If this happens, just add a few drops of Shine and Cure serum to help glide the comb through hair. Short hair typically starts with 15 ml or a half an ounce. Shoulder length hair typically starts with 30 ml or 1 ounce. And long hair should typically be 60 ml or 2 ounces. Please pour the product accordingly based on hair type and porosity. Use your professional judgment as overusage and underusage is not encouraged. Step 5 is applying our treatment. When applying our treatment, apply treatment evenly, staying 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 centimeter away from the scalp. We don't ever recommend using the product directly on the scalp. Use a color application brush to dust the smoothing treatment onto the hair, making sure not to oversaturate. After you have applied the treatment onto the hair, you will pull the treatment through each section of hair using a fine-tooth comb. We recommend pulling down and marrying your next section of hair before applying more treatment. This ensures proper saturation without overusage. You will repeat this until you have fully covered and saturated the whole head. After you have thoroughly applied and evenly distributed, you are now ready to leave on your client for the timed amount. Now rinse treatment completely and apply BTX smoothing mask and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse mask completely. We are now ready to blow dry hair. Section the hair into 4 sections. Using your blow dryer and vent brush, starting in the back, start drying hair until it is 100% dry. Please note that hair should be 100% dry before moving to the next step, which is flat ironing. We are now ready to flat iron. Follow the flat iron and temperature guide provided for you. Thin fine hair, 380 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 9 passes. Normal hair, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 9 passes. Thick curly textured hair, 420 degrees Fahrenheit with 7 to 10 passes. Damaged high lift hair, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 9 passes. Please use professional judgment when working with high lift or damaged hair, as excessive heat can cause further damage. Your treatment is now complete. We wanted to take the time and show you the true results of this treatment. We have taken our model and washed her hair directly after her treatment. You can easily see for yourselves the amazing effects of the treatment. Notice how smooth, soft, and silky her hair is. Please note that we are finger drying her hair, and we would like for you to compare these remarkable results to her hair before treatment. Our model was specifically chosen to show the true smoothing and reparative results of our treatments. Not only did she have curly, frizzy hair, but she was high lift and damaged. Our treatments are not single-minded. They see the whole picture and work accordingly to help repair and smooth hair. We now would like you to hear a few words from our model.
So as an athlete, I've been getting the keratin done for at least 10 years now. It was always easier just to have straight hair. My hair is super curly, super kinky, really thick. So getting the keratin, I thought, okay, I'd have an easier time putting my hair up. Well, they really weren't what I thought they would be. They would make my hair like fine for a month and a half, and then it would just be done and go back to curly. What I really, really loved about this treatment was the fact that it was in and out the same day. I got the treatment done and then I washed it out and I could straighten it. I could go about, my day and not have to worry about for a week keeping my hair perfectly straight and then washing it out. It wasn't really smoky. There was no smoke whatsoever, no harsh smells, very minimal tingling around my scalp, which usually happened with the rest of the keratin treatments. I have no complaints whatsoever with this treatment at all. I loved it and I would for sure get it done again in the future.